Okay, welcome. I did this video yesterday, but I would like to add on a piece to it today. And in today's video of connecting numbers, I met a young woman today, and she said you should go ahead and study the genetic codes. So I'm going to be going on to genetic codes. I still had binary roulette to do, etc., etc. What I want to add on is when I add on the moon plus space, it equals to 101. When I bring it into the Pythagorean effect, moon and space, I end up with 92. When I have moon and time, it ends up to 82. When I have, when I have space and time, it's 82. Cycle of the moon. And the addition is 10. Doesn't matter which, 16, 2 by 8, 2 plus 8, 16 and 10, right? Which becomes 7 and 1, the gateway. This will reduce to 7 and 1. Do you follow what I'm saying? When we come over here to moon 57, space 44, we get 101, which will also, all zeros equal to 6 because of the separation of 313 to the gateway, 313. 3 here, 3 here, and 1 here. We'll go D, E, F, then we go G, F, E, D. And one of the reasons we don't use ABC is because ABC is a block. It'll be C, then B, then A. Actually, it's supposed to be like this. I shouldn't have even written it in. A plus B equals C. We now connect C over to D. It's just like these three dots, right? We connect these three dots, and now we have half. The minute we connect one more dot, 3 and 1, we can now create the complete design of the tower, if you want to look at it that way, and this would be the roof. Anyways, regardless, this is 92. This is the birth. This is the cycle. 29 and 28 equals to 57. Now, if we want to understand taking away numbers, 91 is spirit minus 57 moon equals to 34 DC. And you have to understand that it's the connecting wordle where 4 will now connect to ABC. Where DC will create 12 alpha beta, 4 times 3 equals to 12, and it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. And instead of 7, it now becomes 10. 3 and 7, connecting the red sun, connecting the cube. If we take away 57 from 91, we end up with 46, because I don't care what's high or what's low. I just want you understand? I'm not going to the other side. There is no other side in Pythagorean count. There's one side. So the answer is down 11 over here. The difference here, okay, the difference here is 23. The difference here is 57. We have to create equations. So we did this little piece over here. If we took Earth 52 and we took man 28 and we took dog 26 and we took cat 24. If I take cat and man equals to 52. If I take dog and dog, it equals to 52. So in the cycle of the cat, which is the separation of the 7th gate, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. That is your 14, and that creates your letters of DNA. DNA is created through this, and the separation is the 7th gate. And the odds of the 7th gate is the half-life, the spirit of 76. Now, where do I get this? Because the odds are on these two dice, okay, that it's 4 to 1 on rolling a 7 in basic craps, and it's 7 to 6. 7 to 6 on rolling 7 to 6, the odds are on rolling a 6 with 2 dice. Now, why I put this is because this is an automatic 77. You can see both sides, right? And 1 times 6, 1 plus 6. 1 times 6, 1 plus 6 equals to 76. Cat and dog equals to the female, the halfway house, because in Roman numerals it's 50. All I do is create equations for the numbers that I am given. Now, we all know what is the reality of all of this, what I do. Where is it going to fit? I don't know yet, but I know numbers fit to everything, and eventually, once we see how it works, we will start to wake up more and more and more. Now, to continue on with the video, we had 34, which was DC, also is a representation of 1. The gematria count, base 16. Shit, 65, 56. And this is 2 times 28. 2 moon cycle inside the word. This is 58. 2 times 29. Remember the total of 57 that we had on the last page? Well, now we know piss and shit will now equal into, now it sounds stupid, but it now equals into adding moon and space and adding into space and time. Space and time equals to 28. Moon and space. Space time, moon space. Birth is moon space. Cycle that brings into birth, space time. We come over here, piss, ma, have to go to bathroom, take a number 1. Shit equals 56. So now we have 56. Here we have number 2. Shit and 2 equals together to the birth and the cycle. So whatever those really 2 represent, the brown, I do not know. And you get back to the word 3. 1, 2 come together to create 3, and shit all together will create the same 56 as the value. Now 3 is the same evaluation as 7. Now I know it's very tough to understand this. Yellow has a value of 29, 92. So when we see yellow, and we go back to the last word, right, that yellow fits in with the moon and space. Now I don't know what that means yet. I don't know what that means, but yellow fits into the same word. And it's also the beginning of pi. Where else in this? We were talking of north, east, west, and south in one of our last videos, right? And north, east, west, and south. And then this one over here, standing, all right? There's 4 directions and up and down. And then there's levels, 3 levels. Here to here, to here, to here, to here. These are the levels. The same thing as our backbone, the same thing as our body. There's levels for our body. From here to here is a certain distance. From here to here. If you want to use it as diameter, meaning 180 to here, 180, 180 around, is it 90 to here and 90 to here, meaning height is a total of 180? I don't know how this works. I don't know how, you follow what I'm saying? You know, follow what I'm saying? You get to the center. What is it from here to here when you're measuring? Right? Is it 90 and then 90 here? So that means the total in diameter is 180 and 180. Is that how we calculate it? That means level number 1 to 45, okay, is an in-between level. An in-between level, because the top part of the level and the bottom part of the level of all the levels. Do you follow where I'm going with this right now? See, if we were talking about something, I can actually explain it a little bit better. So that's basically, this one over here is a representation of 11. Inside the word, it's 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5. So the 2 that are out of sync, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, and 4 come together, the DC world of 1. We all know that when we have the word 1, we can also spell it as 1. So if I can see the O as a W, I can just put it here, and we have O, a new one. You know what I'm saying? A new one. I think that's enough for this video. I'm not sure, like usual, where I'm getting with these things. We did the Homo sapien. I gotta go. Ciao.